Poor production process might cause bad electrical performance. Process of peeling might damage the insulation. Conductor get into harness. Insulation cover penetrate wire cover. You need a all-in-one cable tester Microtest 8740. To basic measurement for harness and connector. Short defection. Pin 1 and pin 2 shouldn't contact, but it does. Open defection. Pin 1 and 2 should be short, but it doesn't. Conduction defect. Process defection caused the conduction resistance over the standard range. Withstand voltage and insulation defect. Insulation resistance defect may cause DUT be penetrated or leakage current under high voltage. Some high-precision product for automobile and military can't accept any arc under high voltage. A desktop portable instrument included conduction, HiPot, component, multifunctional tester fulfill cable harness inspection. Microtest 8740 provide the converter fixture. Option the universal fixture board or customized fixtures.
Today we are going to introduce our cable tester 8740. First, let's insert our DUT. Then, press Learn to learn the loop. As you can see on the screen, there are 26 nets and 52 pins. You may check if each loop is on the right pin. Then let's get back to the index page. Next, press Mode and Item to select the test items that you need to test. The first one would be Open Shorts test. The second one would be conductance. The third one is components test. And the fourth one and the fifth one would be the AC/DC HiPot test. And the following three items would be the intermittence OS test. After you select your test items, press conductance. In this page, we can set our conductance. The maximum conductance would be 52 ohm, but usually people will set 3 ohms for the regular product. And next, let's press RDC components setting. The RDC means the resistance, capacitance, and diode. In this page, you can set the items that you need. Next, let's press HV, which means HiPot setting. In this page, you can see there are two sections for DC and AC HiPot setting. For DC part, our maximum voltage level would be 1500 voltage, and the insulation will be 1000 mega ohm. And in the AC voltage settings, the maximum would be 1000 voltage, and the leakage current would be 5 milliamps. After that, let's select Exit and get back to the index page and press Test to start our testing procedure. The results will show on the screen. And this is the short introductions for our cable tester.